how to use L command. It can be used for simple line draw in the AutoCAD drawing. First, I select the line from draw panel, or also you can select for shortcut key from keyboard. I select L from keyboard, then enter. Then make a specify first point. Then move to cursor right side. Give the distance. What you want to distance? I give the distance 1000 mm. Then go to up side. Also I give 1000 mm. Move to cursor left side. Again I give 1000 mm. Come down. Also I give 1000 mm. You see, this one it's used for L command. Again I will example. You can select L command from draw panel. Now it's active, the L command. I click here. Then I move to cursor from mouse where I want to line. Which direction I want to line, I can move from mouse. I select here. You see, this one it's used for L command.